not a game, it's a rich thing.
Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Shree Wallace. If you're new here, hi, welcome. I hope you enjoy the content, and if you do, hit that like and subscribe button. And if you're OG here, thank you for your loyalty. Thank you. So today, it's not a new product, but I am gonna try Melanin Hair Care on my hair. So I used some of this and some of this already. This is the MultiUse Pure Oil Blend, and this is the MultiUse Softening Leave-In Conditioner. And this is one I haven't used yet. It is the Twist Elongating Style Cream, and it's really thick, but it's really smooth as well. Like, I tried it on my hand. It's really smooth and creamy. So I have not tried this, and this is what we're going to try today. This is freshly shampooed and conditioned hair. If you want to see what I use to condition, to shampoo and condition my hair, then I will respond to your comments or make a video about it. I'll probably do both. So if you want to know, comment down below and ask like what I use, and I will let you know. So I'm going to do flat twists. I have not tried flat twists like for a twist out, so I'm going to try that. I don't really care if the part is perfect. I just want to get it out the way. So let's just make some sections. Now, I recently just got a trim, so I wanted to wait to do this until after I got a trim so I could see like how it would actually look on my hair without all the split ends and whatnot. Let's keep this all out the way. Okay, so like I said, freshly shampooed and conditioned hair, nothing else is in it. So I'm going to go in. Okay, this will be the LCO side. Okay, so leave-in, cream, oil. So we're going to do our leave-in, the cream, and then the MultiUse oil. I don't think I've done it this way before, but let's see. Actually, no. Yeah, I do leave-in cream, LCO all the time. I had to remember what it stood for. So the LOC is what I have not tried before. So that's going to be interesting. If you do not like peppermint smell, you will not like this leave-in conditioner. I love it. So I have no problem with it. But this leave-in conditioner is strong with peppermint. Make sure you get them ends. I need to make sure I don't put a lot because I can be heavy-handed. Smells so good. Like, it just wakes up, like, I don't know, it just wakes you up. That's my first time using that cream, and I don't know, it feels good. It's really thick, so you can feel that on your hair. I don't know, it'll be interesting to see how it dries. And they say the MultiUse oil, a little bit goes a long way, so I try to only put a little bit. Like, I don't know if you can see that. Oh. So I try to follow the instructions because they know how it's used. They made it right. But this twist stuff, Twist Elongating Cream, I'm looking for no frizz. Because other than that, I don't know what I'll use it for. Sorry if y'all can't see, but this isn't really a tutorial. It's just seeing which application process works better for me. If you would like a detailed video on it, then let me know. Okay, so I'm gonna shut up and I'm going to do this and probably speed it up for you guys, but I'm gonna shut up and just do my hair. Okay, so I'm back and I finished this side. So now we're gonna do the LOC method on this side of my head. I did the back already, well not the whole back, but so leave in and then oil and then the cream. This is where it's gonna get weird for me because I have never tried this. So we'll see how it is. So I'm back. Like I said, I kept in overnight and all day yesterday. So I'm going to use the MultiUse oil, put on my hands. You all know the drill. Fix my sleeve. And I'm setting my expectations like extremely low because I kind of think I know how it's going to turn out. But yeah, let's start from the back. But I don't know. I want to give it a chance because me and Twist Outs aren't friends. We don't talk. So yeah, I'm hoping this will mend our relationship. My hair is really, really moisturized. Okay, I'm trying to see why. Sorry. I do have product that didn't, like, it's dry, but it didn't go away. So I don't like that. It's weird. I don't like that because it's going to be flaky. I don't know. I can say right now it's some bum definition. But since the product dried, kind of just sitting there would be flaking. So, yeah. Bum definition, as you can see, but I'm gonna have to get some of the flakes out. So, I don't know. And I didn't have this problem when I didn't use this. This is, I might have to use less because it's thick. So, yeah. I might just have to use less. I'm going to try less next time and see if it sits on it like that. Because that ain't cute. My hair is short. I kind of thought it would be stretched out a lot more. So kind of disappointed on that part, but that's on me. I should have stretched it out. But it is what it is. Look at that. That is so cute. It's like a little spring. Yo, it's so cute. It's like a little spring. So this is how it turned out. And it actually turned out a lot better than I was expecting with the frizz with a definition. It's barely any frizz compared to what I usually have. So I am actually satisfied. Only thing I don't like is the flaking. What I am going to do about that tonight, though, I'm going to retwist it the same way I twisted it, but I'm going to wet it and rub everything in, because I did sit under the dryer, so that's probably why, because it kind of just dried on top and I had excess product. So I'm going to do it tonight, retwist it, wet it, and rub everything in, and then retwist it. So we'll see, because I have a lot of flaking down on my legs and my chair. So we'll go from there. But yeah, I actually really like how this turned out. Like, you see the flaking. I'm going to work that out, you know, rub it around. But yeah, so let me know what you think in the comments. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share with your friends, and let me know if you want to see my wash day, like I said earlier, and I'll show you everything I do. So yeah, so thank you for watching. I hope that you subscribe and keep continuing to support my channel. So I actually forgot to mention the LCO and the LOC difference. I didn't find any type of difference with this because they both felt moisturized. They both kind of look the same to me. I don't know. Let me know what you think. And yeah, I didn't feel a difference. I didn't see a difference. So let me know if you've noticed a difference in your hair. All right. Bye.